Good morning, students. Now we are going to study about ratios. Now comparison of ratios. Okay. First find the value. Divide the number given below in the given ratio. Okay. First question, 20 in the ratio 3:2. Here 20 in the ratio 3:2. Okay. Given. So what is the total value is 20. So divide. இது வந்து நம்ம divide பண்ணக்கூடிய values. So divide 20 into 3:2. Here only first part, first ratio, 2 is the second ratio. 3 is the first ratio, 2 is the second ratio. Okay. So இது 2 ratios add பண்ணி total parts write பண்றோம். So 3 plus 2 is equal to, so what is the total parts? Here 5 equal parts. Okay. So first part values find out பண்றோம். First part எத்தனை இருக்கு total? 3 ratios. Okay, 3. So 3 by 5 equal parts. So 3 by 5 into 20. Okay. So 3 by 5 into 20 then equal to. So how to find the value? Find the answer. So dividing. Here multiplication. So divide the 20 by 5. So dividing the table. 5 table. 1 5 is 5. So in how many times? 4 5s are 20. So what is it? 3 into 4 equal to 12. Okay. Second part. Second part, what is the value? 2. So 2 by total equal parts 5. So 2 by 5 into total, what is the divided part? 20. So 2 by 5 into 20. Now cancelling method or simplifying method. So first using the table, 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 4 5s are 20. So what is the value? 2 into 4 equal 8. So first part value is 12. Second part value is 8. So what is the required ratio? So what is the required ratio? So 12 is to 8. Okay. 12 is to 8. Second question. Second question. 27 in the ratio 4 is to 5. Okay. So here total values divided value 25. So what is it? Divide 27 into 4 first part. Second one, second part 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 equal parts. Okay. Next we have find it first part. So what is the total part? 9. So what is the first part? 4. So now 4 by divided by 9 into, what is the divided number? Here 27. Then equal. Now simplify. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. So what is the values? 4 into 3. So equal 12. Okay. Second part. What is the value? Second part? 5. So here write the equal parts. 9. So 5 by 9 into 27. Now cancelling method. 1 9 is 9. Then 3. Okay. So what is the number? 5 into 3. So 5 3s are 15. So what is the values of first part? First part is equal to 12. Second part is equal to 15. So what is the required ratio is? So what is the first part? 12 is to 15. Okay. So next given third question, fourth homework. 40 in the ratio 6 is to 14. Now do it. Okay. Next of the two ratios is larger. Okay. First one 4 is to 5 or 8 is to 15. Then comparison of two ratios. Okay. So இந்த ரெண்டு ratios compare பண்ணி எது greater இருக்குன்னு find out பண்றோம். So first given ratios, the ratio form. What is the ratio form? 4 is to 5 or 8 is to 15. Second round, now write fraction form. So how to write the fraction form? 4 by 5 or 8 by 5. So in the 4 by 5 find the equivalent ratios find out பண்றோம். இந்த two fraction formula numbers கொடுத்திருக்கோம். இந்த numbersல 5 க்கு equal denominator first one fraction 5, second fraction 15. So இந்த 15 க்கு equal ஏதாவது fraction இருக்கான்னு find out பண்ணுவோம். So what is the equivalent fraction? 4 by 5 எந்த டேபிள் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 15 கிடைக்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா? இருக்கு. into 3. Okay. Now 15. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. Okay. So 4 by 5 in equivalent fraction of which one? 15. 8 by 15. Okay. 8 by 15 க்கு equivalent fraction நமக்கு இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு 15 denominators 15. So இப்போ இங்கே denominator 50. So second fraction 8 by 15. So இப்போ 8 by 15 and 12 by 15 is a like fraction. Do you know like fraction? Yes. What is it? What is mean by like fraction? What is mean by like fraction? The denominators are same. In a fraction, the denominators are same. That is called as like fraction. அதாவது எந்த ஒரு fraction ஓட denominator same இருக்கும் அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் like fraction நம்ம ரைஸ் பண்றோம். நோட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஓகே. சோ அப்ப இதுல which is a greater fraction? Then 12 by 15 is greater than 8 by 15. So இதுல எது ரெண்டுமே equal denominators. So 12 is greater number. Next 12 by 15 and 12 by 15 greater than 8 by 15. So okay. Therefore write them. Larger than 8 by 15. Okay. Next second question. 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. So first write the ratio form. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. Write the given question. Okay. Second one, fraction form. How to write 1 by 2 or 2 divided by 1. Okay. Next, find the equivalent fraction. இது எதுக்கு equal பண்ணலாம்? Here 1 by 2. Now here 1. So 2 க்கு equalize பண்ண முடியுமா? So okay. So 1 by 2 into in which table? 1 by 2 and the table 2 க்கு 1. Okay. So what is it? 1 by 2. Next 2 by 1 into இது எந்த நம்பருக்கு ஈக்குவலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்? using 2 table. Okay. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 2. So which is greater fraction? Then two fractions denominators are equal. So this is a like fraction. 1 by 2 and 4 by 2 are like fraction. Okay. So 1 by 2 4 by 2 like fraction இருக்கிறதுனால which is greater fraction? 4 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore write the answer. Two is greater or larger. Okay. Larger than 1 by 2. Then third one, homework. Third question. 3 is to 4 or 7 is to 8. Okay. 3 is to 4 or 7 is to 8. Then do immediately.